Hello, in this video we are going to look into this example to help Mario purchase a vehicle. He wants to buy a $20,000 car in 2 years. He plans to save X dollars today and X dollars in 1 year. The interest rate is 8%. There are 3 solutions. We can figure that out using trial and error, or we could use Excel's goal seek function or Excel's payment function. I'm going to let you figure out the trial error so you can help Mario with trial and error kind of a solution. I am going to focus on using goal seek function of Excel, and what we are going to do is first we are going to create this Excel spreadsheet to understand these calculations, and then we will use the goal seek function to let Excel calculate for us the amount that we are looking for. So let me go to the Excel spreadsheet. As you can see, we have the amount that we want him to deposit. So let's suggest that he's gonna deposit $9,500. Then we are going to create this table where we know that he has $0. Then he deposits this amount, which is $9,500, and we can add what he had plus what he deposited to figure out the total amount at beginning of year. Then we can also figure out the amount with interest, which is going to be 8%. Then in year 1, that's going to be the value that he would have in the bank. And then he will deposit a second X that we suggested to him. In our case, we suggested $9,500, and then the total will be equal to the sum of those two. And we know that interest rate is 8%. I have to make sure that that cell stays constant before I copy that formula. Then we know that he in year 2, with whatever he has in the bank, he's going to buy that car, which is $20,000. And when he pays that amount, whatever is left is still going to earn some interest. But honestly, we want nothing to be left. We don't want him to save any extras. We want to tell him the exact amount that he needs to save. So what we will do is we will use NPV function. We know the rate is 8%, and we know that the values are 9,500s that we suggested, and the cost of the car is $20,000. So we know that there's like $1,000 extra in there. So now we are going to utilize goal seek function. To do that, we're going to go up to the ribbon. We're going to go to data. And then under data, we will find what if analyses. And in there, the second option is goal seek. And when that appears, we are going to set cell D21, which is the NPV of all deposits, I actually want this amount to be zero. I don't want any money left for Mario in the bank. And then to be able to do that, I like to figure out this cell, which is the cell number C13 in my case. And I want Excel to do the calculations and then figure out that amount for me. So as you can see, Excel set that MPV equal to 0 because at the end of the second at the end of second year, I have $20,000 or Mario has $20,000 and he uses that to buy the car. So that means if this institution, this bank is paying 8%, then Mario has to put $8,903.14 in the bank so that he can earn $20,000 or accumulate $20,000 with the interest plus the principal deposit amounts and then purchase that car. Talk to you later.